Ever wondered why GPUs are the go-to hardware for cryptocurrency mining? Let's dive into the bustling world of crypto mining to understand this better. At the heart of the blockchain, a revolutionary technology, lies the critical process of mining. This isn't about digging in the earth, but about solving complex mathematical puzzles that validate transactions on the blockchain network. Miners play a pivotal role here. They are the auditors and enforcers of the blockchain, ensuring that each transaction is legitimate and that there's no double spending or fraud. Each verified transaction helps secure the network further, fortifying the blockchain against potential threats. However, these aren't just any puzzles. They are highly complex and require significant computational power to solve. This is where the humble GPU, or graphics processing unit, comes into play. Unlike regular CPUs, GPUs are designed to handle multiple calculations simultaneously, making them exceptionally suited for the parallel processing needed in crypto mining. With such demanding tasks, miners need hardware that can keep up. Enter the GPU. Why do miners prefer GPUs over CPUs for mining cryptocurrencies? Let's start by understanding what CPUs and GPUs actually are. A CPU, or central processing unit, is the brain of the computer where most calculations take place. It's highly versatile but designed to handle a wide range of tasks sequentially. On the other hand, a GPU, or graphics processing unit, is specialized hardware designed to render images and video, but it's also incredibly efficient at handling multiple tasks simultaneously. The critical difference lies in their architecture. CPUs have a few cores optimized for sequential serial processing, which means they can focus on several tasks one at a time with incredible speed and efficiency. However, when it comes to tasks requiring parallel processing, they lag behind. That's where GPUs shine. GPUs contain thousands of smaller cores designed for multi-threading, allowing them to handle thousands of tasks at the same time. Mining cryptocurrencies involves solving complex cryptographic equations that contribute to verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain, a process known as proof of work. This requires immense computational power and speed, specifically the ability to perform a high number of calculations simultaneously. The architecture of GPUs makes them exceptionally well suited for this task. They can compute multiple hashes at once, dramatically increasing the efficiency of mining operations. So why do miners prefer GPUs? Simply put, GPUs can process the calculations needed for mining at a much faster rate than CPUs, due to their parallel processing capabilities. It's clear that when it comes to mining, the multi-threading prowess of GPUs gives them the upper hand. Mining isn't just about speed, it's also about efficiency. In the ever-buzzing world of cryptocurrency mining, the spotlight often falls on the energy consumption involved. Mining is a power-intensive process, with rigs running round the clock, crunching numbers and solving complex algorithms. This makes the quest for energy efficiency not just a matter of lowering bills, but also a crucial aspect of sustainable digital mining. When comparing graphics processing units, commonly known as GPUs, with central processing units, or CPUs, there's a clear winner in the realm of power efficiency. GPUs are not only faster, but they also excel in performing parallel operations, which is a staple in mining algorithms. This capability allows them to achieve higher hash rates, a measure of mining power, while consuming significantly less energy than their CPU counterparts. This superior efficiency translates into reduced operational costs. For miners, this means the ability to run more rigs at a lower total cost, maximizing potential profits. Moreover, by using less power, GPU mining lessens the environmental impact, aligning with global efforts towards more sustainable practices. Efficiency isn't just good for the miner's wallet, it's crucial for sustainability in mining. From gaming to mining, GPUs have come a long way. Initially, the crypto mining scene was dominated by CPUs, but as Bitcoin gained traction, miners realized that GPUs were significantly more effective. This pivot wasn't just a small step, it was a giant leap. Graphics processing units, with their ability to handle multiple complex calculations simultaneously, proved ideal for the parallel processing required in mining. As more cryptocurrencies like Ethereum emerged, which were also amenable to GPU mining, demand for these powerful processors surged. This spike in demand led to a noticeable shift in the market. Suddenly, GPUs were not just a gamer's ally, but had become a critical tool for crypto miners. This shift caused prices to soar and even led to global shortages. Looking ahead, the trajectory for GPU mining technology is set on innovation. With the advent of more energy-efficient GPUs and potentially even specialized mining chips, the future seems promising. As the crypto landscape evolves, so too does the technology driving its infrastructure. So, why are GPUs the champions of the crypto mining world? Well, throughout our exploration, we've seen that GPUs bring superior processing power to the table, making them indispensable for mining operations. Their ability to handle vast amounts of calculations simultaneously not only boosts efficiency, but also significantly cuts down on power consumption. This combination of high efficiency and lower energy use is precisely why GPUs remain the preferred choice among crypto miners. For anyone looking to dive into the world of crypto mining, understanding the role of GPUs is your first step.